How about just for a change? I know what I'll do. Let's go on. I'm gonna go on Facebook and just read some comments. Should I even do the intro? Hey everybody, welcome to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. And just for something different, I'm gonna look at our Facebook page, the Facebook page about Ojibwe language and culture. So here we go, Nana Boozhoo at Mr. Boozhoo. Oh, and there's my beautiful Natasha. Oh, wow, she's cute. How come she's only wearing one earring? Wonder what happened to the other one. Anyway, what was I doing? Okay, inbox. And it's moving kind of slow. Here we go. All right, right at the top, Andy Murphy. So yeah, I'm gonna read some viewer mail. Today's podcast is viewer mail. And here's a message from Andy Murphy. Hello, I'm a producer with Native America Calling radio program, and I'm putting together a show about using puppets to teach native language. I'm wondering if you could join us for this show. It's on Tuesday, December 12th, from noon to 1 p.m. Central Time. If you can be our guest, let's talk on the phone before December 7th, so that I can add you to the script. Thanks. Oh, yeah, I'll be on your radio show. What is it? Native America Calling. I wonder where that's out of. Oh, did you guys hear that? Native America. Did you hear it? You're watching me. Native America Calling. I'm gonna call this lady and see if we can set up this interview or whatever it is. Call-in show. All right, let's see what else do we got. Karen Collins. See what she's got to say. Annie and Michael, thank you for bearing with me. I just ordered several of your books. Looking forward to their arrival. Hey, Michael, somebody ordered your books. All right, it's a good thing we did that commercial. Hope that you stay warm. Yeah, no kidding, Karen. It's starting to become winter. All right, now I'm going to go to comments. Oh, look at this, Michael Farrell. Michael Farrell, that's his Chimokama name. This is from Wabi, my old Niji Wabi. He's commenting on which video is this? I don't even know. And Phyllis Gurno says, love it, sounds good. And Michael Farrell in Wabi says, I miss playing music with you very much, my friend. Oh, wow, me too, Wabi. Me too, Niji. Wabi plays guitar on that song, and he's a really great guitarist. Yeah, maybe we'll get together sometime and we'll have Wabi on the show. You know, when I first met Wabi, he had shaved his head. He was totally bald. And he was telling me he was on a fast. I went, yeah, I'm on a slow. That's where you eat all day long. But I kind of rolled my eyes, and then he started speaking fluent Ojibwe, and I realized, oh, wow, this guy really knows his stuff. All right, let's see another comment. Dear Mr. Nana Boozhoo, I like your guitar playing. I just have one question. How often do you have to change your G string? Oh, you know, it really depends on my... Hey, I get that. I know what you're saying. That's not a joke for the kids. All right, well, that's enough of this. I'm running out of time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I just want to say miigwech to everybody who writes in and says your kind comments. I also want to say, an announcement. The videos just got monetized. That's a word I never used before YouTube. But I'm gonna start making money on the clicks. So make sure you click and subscribe. And yeah, so that's it. Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin Minawa. Ho. All right, good enough. I'm not even sure how to end the program anymore. I think that was the end. Okay, good enough. See you later.